You see his fancy hairdo. What a fancy hairdo, my boy chick.
And the buck is along here.
No, I'm doing funny faces.
If you open the eyes like not to.
This is pictures of Harry doing REM sleeping. Hey, Harry Barry. Harry's a month. Well, he's 5 weeks today, exactly, isn't he?
Yeah, 5 weeks.
5 weeks. He's a big boy. Eating lot. He weighs 5 kilos. This big boy. Harry, 5 kilos, you're supposed to sleep all night. Not wake up to eat 2 or 3 times.
5 months start eating or 6 months?
Between 4 and 6.